Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to get the best Verizon iPhone deals in 2025. Whether you're upgrading or switching to Verizon, we've got the steps to help you save big. Step 1. Research current deals. Start by checking Verizon's website for current iPhone offers. Look for trade-ins, discounts, and financing plans that match your needs. Step 2. Trade in your old phone. Verizon's trade-in program can save you hundreds. Use their online tool to see how much credit you can get for your old device. Step 3. Compare plans. Make sure to compare Verizon plans. Some deals offer discounts on iPhones with specific unlimited plans, so find the one that fits your needs. Step 4. Check device payment plans. Verizon offers device payment options to spread out the cost of your new iPhone over 24 or 36 months. Check the terms and make sure it works for your budget. Step 5. Explore new customer deals. If you're a new Verizon customer, look for exclusive iPhone offers like discounts or free accessories. Step 6. Look for bundle deals. Verizon sometimes offers bundles with accessories. Look for promotions that include extras like cases or wireless earbuds. Step 7. Sign up for AutoPay. Signing up for AutoPay can get you a monthly discount. It's a simple way to save a bit more on your plan. Step 8. Check for special discounts. If you're in the military or a first responder, ask about special discounts available to you. Step 9. Visit a Verizon store. For the best deals, visit a Verizon store or contact customer support to confirm details and ask about any in-store promotions. Now you're ready to get the best Verizon iPhone deal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.